Hi YouTube, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel if you're new here. My name's Rhea, and in today's video we're doing a maintenance glow up vlog. It's 2025 and the winter uglies, they're catching up to me right now. Okay, I'm not gonna lie. So we need to have a little self-care maintenance glow up day to feel better, okay? So you're gonna come along with me the next few days to a week and we're gonna glow up. We're going to get ourselves feeling cute and just good for the new year. First things first, I did show you guys my hair oiling routine and my hair care routine last night, so I'm gonna insert that here because we're trying to get waist length curls in 2025, so we need to be on top of our hair care routine. And my hair's been growing and it honestly feels super healthy and good right now, and I don't gatekeep, so obviously I'm gonna share that with you guys. Let's glow up together. Let's go. Okay, first step to getting glowed up. This lighting makes me look so greasy because I am, but whatever. First step to this glow up is showing you guys my hair oiling routine, okay? Oh my god. One of my goals for 2025 is to get these curls waist length, okay? I started in 2024 and like November, really taking my hair care seriously because we are not waiting for the new year, we are getting straight to it, okay? And I have seen good hair growth. Yeah, like when I do my hair, it's like down to here right now, only a few more inches. So she's growing. So let me show you the hair oiling routine that I do every week to grow my hair. Okay, so first what you're gonna do is take a little scalp massager. We're stimulating the scalp. What is that? Oh my gosh. Massage the scalp for like a good 3 to 5 minutes. Ew. Circular motions, make sure that you're really moving like your scalp and not just your hair. I'm done massaging the scalp for now, but now we're going to do the hot oil treatment. So I bought one of these little oil brushes on Amazon. It makes life so much easier, but this is a mix of castor oil, miel rosemary oil, amla oil, which is like an Indian like Ayurvedic herb oil, and pumpkin seed oil, which is also good for hair growth. I also take pumpkin seed capsules daily. I don't know, we're ingesting it and we're putting it on our hair too. But I put an ounce of each oil in here, and then I'm gonna heat it up for like 30 seconds until it's warm, not hot, because we're not burning our scalp, and then we're gonna put it in. Okay, let me go heat it up. She's all good now, so we're going to put it on the scalp. Just nice and lubed up, nice and oiled up. Massage it in, whether that's with fingers or I'll use the scalp massager again. Okay, now that our hair is nice and greasy, we've got the oil in. I like to wet the lengths of my hair and then put in a mask while this all sits. I'm gonna wet her. Doesn't have to be super wet either, but so I'm going to use the, oh my gosh, there's hair all over it, the Briogeo Curl Charisma Rice Amino and Avocado Hydrating and Defining Mask on the lengths. Now that the mask is in, the final step is just putting some oil at the ends. So I'm going to use the, excuse me having hair everywhere, Moroccan oil treatment on my ends. Perfect. So now we're going to claw clip this hair up. Just like that. And we're gonna let her sit for about an hour, 1 to 2 hours while I do my other stuff, and then we're gonna wash my hair. So there you go, that was the full hair oiling routine, and I'll show you my products that I use in the shower and after the shower as well. Okay, it's time to shower, wash out this oil. So in the shower, I'm using Redken Acidic Bonding Curls Shampoo and Conditioner. Got my Tangle Teaser. After the shower, Way Scalp Serum. This is my second bottle of this. I really like it. And Kerastase 8-Hour Magic Night Serum. And this makes my hair so curly and nice after I style it. Since this is so small and expensive, I do about like 3 drops. And then I do a pump of this for each section of my hair. 2 pumps, sorry. Look at the length. It's giving. I also just got a Tangle Teaser because we want to be very gentle on our hair when we're brushing through, especially when it's wet. So this is perfect for wet hair. So yeah, that's my whole hair oiling, hair care routine that I do every week for healthy, long curls. Just wait in a couple months. It's gonna be down to here, okay? Now I'm gonna do my hair, get ready for work. Okay, we are heading to get our nails done. My nails are so grown out. These are my holiday nails. I love them, but yeah, they're so grown out. We need new nails, and I'm getting a pedicure too because you don't even want to know the state that my toes are in right now. So yeah, we're doing a full mani-pedi, meeting my boyfriend there, a little self-care day today, and I'm super excited. I don't really know. I think I'm just gonna do something simple. I'm thinking maybe like a little baby pink or something would be super cute. Another part of glowing up for the new year that I've been wanting to focus on is just taking extra time to get ready every single day. I always used to just not get ready at all, just no makeup, which is like fine, and not really caring about my outfit or jewelry or anything like that, which is fine. But I realized like just taking a little extra bit of time to put some makeup on, put some jewelry on, feel cute, just makes me feel so much better for the rest of my day. So trying to keep up with that, and something that I feel just makes me feel so put together all day, and it's so simple, is some good jewelry, some good staple pieces. That brings me into the partner of today's video, which is Ana Luisa. They are a jewelry brand based in New York, and they really focus on high quality jewelry at an affordable price point. I am so obsessed with Ana Luisa right now. Look at these boxes, how cute. Specifically, these earrings that I just picked up from them are my new staple earrings. They're called the Jody earrings. They look like this. Just the cutest little gold earrings for every single day. Let me show you them. They just are the cutest little gold earrings, and every time I put them in, I'm just obsessed with them, and I feel like it just elevates any look. Just makes me feel so put together and so cute. So again, these are the Jody earrings. They're the perfect everyday little gold earrings. And I also got an anklet, which I'm so excited about. I haven't worn her yet because I'm saving her for a nice hot trip. I think it'll be the cutest little piece. This is the fin anklet. I don't know, there's just something so cute about a little anklet that I'm obsessed with. I can't wait to wear her. I just feel like having staple jewelry pieces that you can throw on every single day will just elevate your look no matter what. That's why having my Ana Luisa jewelry is so important for my New Year glow up, because we're always gonna look put together with no effort. Hello. So if you want to find some high quality staple jewelry pieces at an amazing price, definitely check out Ana Luisa. I have them linked in my description, so click on the link, check out all the pieces. Such amazing quality, no tarnishing around here, and the best prices, so you just can't go wrong. I definitely recommend the Jody earrings. I'm obsessed with them. And yeah, thank you so much to Ana Luisa for partnering with me on this video. I love their pieces. I literally wear these every single day. Totally check them out and find your staple jewelry pieces to just elevate your everyday look. We're back from getting our nails done, and I have to go for my facial like right away. but I got this cute baby pink color on my nails, and I got matching on my toes. I didn't get white toes today. She got pink, and they're so cute. I love them. I feel so much better now. But we need to do a quick everything shower before we go to this facial. I gotta wash all this makeup off, so let me show you the lineup. Okay, so I need to shave, so I'm gonna exfoliate with the Vanilla Tree Hut scrub, and we're gonna use Sticky Dates by Lush. It smells so good. Flamingo razor gives you such a nice shave. EOS Vanilla Cashmere and Eucerin is the go-to combo. Okay, that's what's going down. I'm gonna double cleanse my face with the Haru Haru Wonder Black Rice Moisture Deep Cleansing Oil, and then use Vanny Cream in the shower. Let's get her done. I'll talk to you after though, because just finished my everything shower. I feel so much better. Okay, but I need to get to my appointment. This video is just me rushing around, but let's go get this chemical peel again. This is the skin we're dealing with. Let's get it sorted out. Okay, you guys, it is the part in the glow up where we're focusing on the skin. I'm about to go get a facial and get a chemical peel, okay, because I have been having the worst breakout of my entire life. It's getting a lot better, but it was just like cystic pimple after cystic pimple. It's definitely something hormonal, something inside. I've definitely figured something out that I think may have been causing part of it, and has definitely helped. Like, I'm not breaking out every single day anymore. Obviously I have cystic pimples that are under the skin and still there, and I need to deal with, and just a bunch of scarring. It's been pretty tough the past few months. Like, I've had bad breakouts before, and I know how that can have a toll on your mental, but like, this is just like a whole nother level, you guys. Yeah, so I've been wanting to get a chemical peel for a while. If you don't know what it is, I'm getting the Dermafrost Acne Peel, which is a BHA peel, and it's intense. Hopefully kill any of that cystic pimples that are just under the skin that just keep popping up. And yeah, we'll see what the results are like in about like 5 days. Yeah, I've never done one. I'm hoping it helps. Here's what it's looking like. This is what I'm dealing with, and I'll update you guys for the next few days on how the peel goes and everything. Hopefully it helps, because I just want to feel confident in my skin again. Yeah.
Right away you'll notice that the redness will go down and the inflammation, and then
That's it. She's done, but not bad. Ooh, okay, good morning. It is the next day post peel. I look crazy because I need to wash my face right now, but I'm about to do my skincare because they gave me this post peel home care kit. My skin is already looking a bit less red. Like, this lighting obviously makes it look crazy, but so let's get into her. A cleanser that I need to use, and then vitamin C reversal serum, post peel balm, and an SPF. So let's do it. There's definitely stuff coming up. 2 drops of the vitamin C post peel balm. Oh, it's so hard to get out. SPF. And that's that, y'all. I'm also starting my 10th Invisalign today, so it's almost been 3 months. I love when it's new tray day because it's like I'm getting closer. And they're a little tight. I'm like, ooh. So yeah, skin's good right now. Invisalign in. About to go hit the gym because for the New Year glow up, we are in the gym taking care of our bodies. So I'm gonna go do that. I'll continue to update you on the skin and everything the next few days, but yeah, here's a little skin update. There's definitely some things coming up, like some of them are a little crusty, but I'm not gonna pick at it, okay? I'll just let it do its thing. Day 2 skin update post peel. Day 3 skin update post peel. This lighting makes it look crazy. Like, I feel much better when it's like this. The pimples are definitely going down. Like, my face looks way more flat and smooth, especially on this side, which is really nice. And yeah, so far so good. It is a little bit dry, but I feel like when I wash my face in the morning and night, it just takes off all that dead skin. And yeah, okay, so I put on makeup and it's just like way less raised compared to before. Like before, I feel like it was so raised and you could just see everything. Like on this side, it looks so much better. Wow. On this side, there's still a few raised bumps, but like still a lot better. So I'm very happy with that. Okay guys, this is going to be the final skin update of this video. It is the 5th or 4th day after the peel. I just washed my face, so it's super red, but it's definitely going down. Like this side is much flatter than before. This side still needs some work, but and I have a few random pimples on my forehead. Stay tuned for more videos because I'm definitely gonna go for another peel, and if you want to follow along with my skin journey, subscribe to my channel because I'm going to keep vlogging, keep taking you through everything that I'm doing to heal my skin. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this little maintenance self-care vlog, and thank you so much to Ana Luisa again for partnering with me on today's video. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any more videos from me, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.